You've set up your Zokera storefront, added your favorite products, and shared the link with followers. But when you check your dashboard, the clicks aren't turning into sales. This usually happens when a store looks like the left side of this diagram. It's a dumping ground. When followers click a link only to find a random, endless grid of 80 disconnected items, the experience becomes overwhelming, and they often leave without browsing. Fixing this requires two things: an active Zokera creator account and a specific niche or theme that your audience already follows you for. The solution is the Zokera Collection. These are curated, themed groups of products designed to match a shopper's specific intent. By organizing your recommendations with a clear purpose, you transition your followers from a confusing catalog into a personal, guided shopping journey. To start, log into your Zokera creator dashboard. Open the storefront section and click on the Collections tab. When you click Create Collection, you'll be asked for a title. Many creators fail here by using broad one-word names like skincare or tech. Instead, use a specific formula: niche plus context. Watch how the generic label skincare transforms into Morning Skincare Routine 2024. This works because high-intent buyers look for solutions to specific needs. A contextual title tells the viewer exactly how these products fit into their own lives. Type this optimized, search-friendly name into the collection field to set the foundation for the group. A strategic title establishes immediate relevance, making it much more likely that a visitor will stay to see the products inside. Now, search the Zokera brand catalog to find the items that fit your specific theme. You have over 1,000 brand partnerships to choose from. As you select items, follow the 5-10 rule. Every collection you build should have at least 5 products, but no more than 10. Methodical, capping your choices prevents choice paralysis. When a buyer is presented with too many options at once, the decision-making process freezes, often resulting in no purchase at all. Select 5 to 10 relevant products, populating a list that serves your theme. Next, upload a cover image and short description explaining why you recommend them. Before publishing, drag your top recommendation to the first position, so it's the first thing seen. Limiting the number of choices and providing your own personal context makes the decision-making process much easier for your audience. Once published, the goal is to share the right link. Sharing your general storefront homepage forces the user to go searching, whereas sharing a specific collection link takes them straight to the items you just talked about. Locate the unique URL generated for this specific collection and copy it to your clipboard. You should deploy this targeted link in your YouTube descriptions, Instagram stories, or WhatsApp broadcast channels whenever you mention these products. This creates a seamless journey. When a follower engages with your content and clicks a link for your work-from-home essentials, they land directly on that matching page. This also benefits the buyer's wallet. Because Zokera storefronts have a built-in cashback mechanism, your followers earn money back on these purchases, which encourages them to return to your store for future needs. Pairing specialized content with a direct destination link provides the shortest possible path from curiosity to a completed sale. Beyond increasing your daily sales, these organized collections serve as a professional portfolio when you are looking for brand collaborations. Brand reps who visit a structured storefront see a creator who understands marketing and strategic placement. This level of curation shows that you are professional and organized. Seeing your work snapping together into a clear strategy can often outweigh the importance of a high follower count during brand negotiations. To get started, log into your dashboard today and create exactly 3 distinct collections based on your most frequent content topics. Replacing a generic catalog with intentional, curated shelves allows your storefront to continue converting long after your content is posted.